Did you know that making homemade croutons is incredibly easy to do, and they taste so much better than store-bought? Also, they're incredibly customizable, but using sourdough will add a delicious extra tang. If you love croutons with a lighter, melt-in-your-mouth crunch, then using a bread like my soft sourdough bread is the way to go. However, if you're looking for sturdier croutons that will hold up longer in soups and salads, sourdough baguettes would be a preferred choice. Once you've cubed your bread, it really is as easy as tossing them in a mixture of oil and seasonings. Within the recipe post, I share all kinds of different herbs and spices that will help to achieve the flavor you're looking for, but often a simple mixture of salt, pepper, garlic and onion powder works perfectly for most salads. Ideally, if you're making a larger batch, it is wise to not do what I did here in this video, but rather use 2 cookie sheets. This will allow for more airflow around the croutons, keeping the baking time more reasonable. However, if you're using just 1 cookie sheet, the trick is to bake the croutons longer and to stir them often while baking. Once cooled, store them in an airtight container at room temperature, and they'll be ready to go for quick salads. For more recipes like this and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.